Okay. All right, all right. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to start adding vocab words, workshop words, persona. I love how when you look stuff up now, the first thing that comes up is a product. It's like, the word didn't mean anything before it became a product. It's crazy. Anyways, persona. It's a noun. The aspect of someone's character that is presented to or perceived by others. So an example is her public persona, and then a role or character adopted by an author or an actor. Let's try that again.
Persona.
Okay, heard you. The real question is, why would I pick that word, persona? If you look at the times that we're living in now, and if you feel, right, you feel a lot of things, but for the most part, your general feeling about life has had to change dramatically. Whereas you could go outside and play some basketball, or I don't know what you do for fun, but chances are it involves people. You can't necessarily do that right now. So a lot of things have changed drastically, real fast. And it's hard to process all of that. What does that have to do with persona? Well, who you are as a person at your core, that's like one set of information that's solidifying. It's like a harder data, denser, more, it's your gravitas. Who you are as a person. For example, if you're walking in front of some older folks, do you know to take a look back, open the door, and not just walk through, but to hold the door? Or if it's some young ladies, or holding the door is a privilege. It's not a duty. It's a privilege. That means that you are so comfortable in life, that things are so good, you know not only to look out for yourself, but to look out for other people. That's a privilege. When things become difficult, for example, now, do you hold the door, or do you just, do you make a decision, oh, it's just me now, or do you still hold the door? You know? And I say all that to say, I'm not trying to judge you, I'm just saying, if you do, then that's part of your persona. If you decide, free food is not the time for chivalry, then maybe it's not so deep in your persona. But your persona has depth. Right? So things that are further down are deeper part of your persona, and things that are exterior, I wear this today, I might wear a different sweater tomorrow. It's not necessarily so deep into my persona. When we read a work like Alchemist, or we create a game like the Island Game, you get to see personas play out. What's valuable to us in one moment to the next, and having quantifiable results so that we can assess ourselves from different points in time. So when I journal, I can see who I was today last year, who I was today 2 years ago, who I was today 3 years ago. Take a moment of deep meditation such as now. For a person like me, I just have a bunch of things that I can do. One more time.
Persona.
Merci beaucoup. And it's the aspect of someone's character that is presented to or perceived by others. An example is her public persona. A role or character adopted by an author or an actor. Nothing went viral like crack in the 80s. This was, of course, well before the internet. Oof. Okay, I edited Wings jacket stealing scene, all cut up in Mexico. Sunday, March the 22nd. All right, March 22nd. Apologies, I don't want to offend anyone. Dear Goat, thank you kindly, greatest of all times. I rise 5:55 a.m. You don't need to hear all that. I ended up at Island's Best Coffee, which is the Shell gas station on Betancourt, on New York Ave. Bogdan lost his father, jeez. Put prayers up. Wait in the rain for the number 9 Magic Bus, which takes me to Wingate County. Rainy day, says Abraham, facts. Roundabout, I go to Martha's Vineyard Regional High School, go to work. Walk with Kadiri to the executive suite. Oh, so I'm doing in-school suspensions. Yippee! Substitute teacher. Hey, at least I got it. And I'm journaling. So I go back to 2017. from this exact day, 2017. I wake up, working new gratitude muscles, still stomach bubbling, Sylvia banging pots in the kitchen, John Lee in the shower, music in the schoolyard. The sun feels great. I eat a little mole, chicken, and rice. John comes home on fire. He had a meet at, I made a memory note of something, help with the memory challenge. It's not clear. More 2017. Nothing went viral like crack in the 80s. This was, of course, well before the internet. Nothing went viral like crack in the 80s. This was, of course, well before the internet. Oof. Okay, I edited Wings jacket stealing scene, all caught up in Mexico, magic, magnitude, gratitude, bravery, take a nap, 12:12. Big virtue sketch, sketched virtue, melt listening emoji, John and I eat moly, talk Trump art, tomorrow's field trip, I do the dishes, plot on vibes, learning, leaning colory but feeling black and gold, milk and honey, bread and water, only the best vibes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 vibes, I hear the birds chirping, a hammer hammering, strong winds leaning on trees, nudging a squeaky door, an apartment, Mexico City. Walk with John, weigh my belly, I'm game, step out and cross Obregon, dope barbershop in Sergentes, someone yells out, Basquiat, because of my hair. Find pharmacy, pick up some toilet paper and Gatorade, hit 2 bookstores, almost buy the book on gold, I buy White Nile instead. Walk back and talk regarding trust and staying the course and key management, 2017. So that was it for 2017, Mexico City. Abraham's brother, lunch, library. Finish out 400 million or 400 billion question. That's funny, since I taught that this year. 400 billion, 400 million, you guys remember that? Kickoff to number 9 to Ocean Park, the bus, P.O. Box, Gray Day, Reliable, Our Market, Walk Home, Melt, Vibe to Magician and Universal Law Motivated about divine timing, look over Mexico City notes and feel a great opportunity in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, do some number obsessing, and then I draw a pyramid. January, February, March, April, May,